You're dreaming of escaping the city, building that perfect home, and finally owning your own piece of the world. But there's this one little number that keeps nagging at you: your credit score. Believe me, I get it. You've probably heard that getting a loan for a piece of land is way harder than for a house. So, let's cut right to it. I'm going to break down the credit score benchmarks lenders are looking for, but more importantly, I'm going to show you a powerful way to buy the land you want, even if your credit isn't perfect. All right, first up is the traditional route: getting a loan from a bank or credit union. Because a vacant plot of land is seen as a bigger gamble than a house, lenders are a bit tougher. So, what's the magic number? While many lenders prefer a credit score of 700 or higher to get you the best terms, you may still get approved with a score in the high 600s. Some government-backed programs, like an FHA construction loan, might even work with a score as low as 580, provided you plan to build right away. But your score is just one part of the equation. Lenders also zero in on two other things. First, your down payment. Get ready, because it's usually much bigger than for a house. For raw, undeveloped land, you might need to put down anywhere from 20% to as much as 50%. Second, they'll look at your debt-to-income ratio, DTI. That's all your monthly debt payments divided by your monthly income. Most lenders want to see that number stay below 43%. But what if your credit score isn't in that 700 club? Is the dream dead? Not at all. This is where an amazing alternative comes in, one that has helped countless people become landowners: owner financing. It's a pretty simple concept. Instead of getting a loan from a bank, you make your payments directly to the person selling the land. Here's the biggest advantage: many sellers who offer owner financing don't even run a credit check. They're often more interested in your down payment and whether you can handle the monthly payments. This throws the doors to land ownership wide open for almost anyone, no matter their credit history. You're dealing with a person, not a faceless bank, so the terms can be a lot more flexible. So, what should you do next? If you have a strong credit score, your game plan is pretty straightforward. Keep an eye on your score, focus on saving up for that bigger down payment, and start talking to lenders who know their way around land loans, especially local credit unions. If your score is still a work in progress, don't sweat it. Your strategy is just different. Start searching for properties with owner financing. You can find these on specialty land websites and even filter for them on some of the big real estate marketplaces. At the end of the day, it boils down to this: there are two main paths to buying land. The traditional path works great if you have strong credit and a good chunk of savings. But for just about everyone else, owner financing is a fantastic and powerful alternative. Whether your credit is flawless or you're still building it, your dream of owning land is within reach. If you're getting serious about buying land, I've put some helpful resources in the description below. And drop a comment. What's the biggest thing holding you back from buying land?